Hi, magical souls. I'm Joey Wargachuk, and I'm beyond excited to invite you to my 12-week Tarot Master certification, a live immersive journey on Zoom designed to unlock your tarot mastery. Whether you're just starting out or you've been reading for years, this program will take your skills, your intuition, and confidence to a whole new level. Now, this isn't just a course, it's an experience. Together, we'll dive into wisdom of tarot, uncover your unique gifts, and set you up for success as a confident, certified tarot master. Over the course of 12 transformational weeks, we'll explore the complete tarot system from major arcana breakthroughs to the subtle secrets of the core cards, live practice sessions where you'll get real-time guidance from me and learn confident reading for others. We're going to get pro level insights to help you step into the role of a reader, whether for yourself, your friends, or for paying clients. Building business strategies. Yes, I'll teach you how to market yourself, set your rates, and create an intuitive brand that shines in this growing industry. And when you're finished, you'll receive the official Tarot Master certification, setting you apart as a professional in the tarot world. Who is this really for? This program is for everyone, whether you're a total beginner curious about tarot or a seasoned reader ready to level up your practice. You don't need to have any experience. All you need is your deck and an open mind. If you've ever dreamed of understanding the cards deeply, connecting with your intuition, and even starting your own tarot business, this is your moment. And the best part, you'll be joining a vibrant support community of tarot enthusiasts who are on the same journey as you. Um, why join now? The tarot is calling you, and this program is designed to help you answer that call. This isn't a pre-record course. It's live, interactive, and tailored to you. You'll get the work directly with me, ask your questions and in real time, and watch your skills grow week by week. And because this is an evergreen certification, you can revisit the lessons whenever you need, building a lifetime of clarity and purpose and magic, because you will have access to the portal and you can access all of the resources at any time. So, what are you waiting for? The journey to Tarot Mastery starts right now with you. Click on the link to secure the spot and join me for this unforgettable 12-week adventure. Together, we'll unlock the wisdom of the cards and awaken the powerful reader within you. I can't wait to see you in the Zoom room, ready to transform your life and others with tarot.